Hello and welcome back to our another tutorial video. In this video, I'll show you how to fix a problem of projecting to this PC that is disabled in your device. Through this feature, you can project your screen to another device display or from another device to your device display. So let's move to the solution of this problem. First of all, go to the settings of your device. Click on the Windows icon and click on the settings icon. After clicking on settings icon, you have to go to system and check if it exists in your device or not, projecting to this PC. So it is not enabled in my device. So I will show you how to enable it. So you have to go to optional features of your device. So you can go from this option also, or you can go to apps, click on additional features and click on add a feature. For this, you need to be connected to the internet. First check if you are connected to your internet or not. After connection, search wireless display. So you will get a search feature there, wireless display. Click on it and click on install. So it will take some seconds to install this feature. So I just added a feature wireless display in my device. So let's go to the projecting to this PC feature and check if it is enabled or not. Let's click on home, system, projecting to this PC. Now you can see I can turn it on and off easily. So this way you can easily solve the issue of projecting to this PC not enabled in your device. So if it is helpful to you, then don't forget to write down on the comment below and don't forget to subscribe and hit on the notification button. Keep on updated on our channel. We'll bring more useful videos to you. Thank you for watching.